Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Date in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I made these homemade Oreo cookies. And they're really delicious. I'm going to start off with 2 sticks of butter, cup of sugar, concentrated sugar, powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. Now you want to add 2 eggs. You want to blend it up some more or process it, whatever you call it. I got 2 eggs in here. Blend this up really fine for a minute. That's about enough. Next, you want to sift in 2 cups of flour. Then a cup of cocoa. Powdered cocoa, half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'll process this all together. Just let this set in the refrigerator. I'm gonna this up right here. I'm gonna let this set in the freezer for a little while, for about an hour, and come back to it. What you do after you get it all rolled out. I would have showed you how to roll it out, but you gotta freeze it before you roll it out, and you want to put some parchment paper over it. Anyways, you want to like that. What you do is you want to put that right like that. It's what it look like before they go into the oven. I'm gonna put them on for 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're done. On for this. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to put it over right there. This is whipped cream because I didn't have the real way to make the real stuff because I was out of some of the ingredients I needed to make the. But this will work for now. That'd be enough. Oh my God, look at these. These are some homemade Oreo cookies and they are delicious. I'll try out this one right here. Oh my God, that is delicious. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't hit the subscribe button. If you do hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell next to it so you get all the videos. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.